I'd like to thank Virolex for going through and sending me this clothes steamer in exchange for an honest review. This is pretty awesome, and it does go through and get very hot. So this is going to go through and work kind of like an iron, except you're just using steam to go down the clothes to go through and remove wrinkles. I've tested it and I'll show it to you in this video. With that said, let's go through and do the unboxing, let you know what it comes with. So here you can go through and see the unboxing. It does have a oven mitt that it comes with, a plastic cup, and then it does have the unit and also a tray to set the unit on. And it comes in the color purple. On the handle, that is removable, and I'll show you that in a moment. That's where you can go through and add the water. And once you fill up the water, you just slap it back in, plug it in, and then we get to steaming, which I'm going to show you in a moment. You also do have a tray to go through and put the unit on. So once you plug it in, you put it like this, and the iron symbol will flash. Once it's done flashing, it's ready to go. Once you start steaming, all you gotta do is hit that button and the steam will start going off and it's ready to go through and use with clothes. And then when you're done, you hit the button again and then the steam will stop, put it back in a tray and unplug it. It does get very, very hot. Like, it's still hot, and I used it about 20 minutes ago. Even the base is hot. So keep that in mind, and you want to keep it in a place away from, anyone that would get their hands on it that shouldn't. So let's go through and show you the shirt. So here is one of my shirts, and it's got a lot of wrinkles in it, and we're going to go through and remove it. And with the steam, you can go through and see how it does go through and remove it. It's a little hard with me doing it with one hand, but you can kind of get the idea, and I'll show you the finished afterwards. So after a bit, I'm going to go through and just set the phone down, do it two hands, and then show you the full result. And the full result is I'm very happy I got this, and I wanted one of these because my clothes are wrinkled at times, and I'm not someone that's going to iron, and neither is my wife. So this will go through and take care of it pretty simply. All you do is fill it with water. Took 20 seconds to warm up, and then you're good to go. And you can travel with this too, no problems. So if you have shirts and stuff in your luggage, you take them out, throw them on the hanger, the hotel or whatever. You can just go once over on this, take you 5 minutes to go through your clothes, and you are good to go. So definitely do recommend this. I am very happy I have one, and I'm going to be using it all the time. I'm even like, I should do that with this shirt right now because it's got some wrinkles. So a really awesome thing to have on hand. I definitely recommend it.